I love a good vision board. They look beautiful, their aesthetic is stunning, they look great in your office, and they're an awesome reminder of all the goals you have for the year ahead. Thing is, I really can't be bothered buying a whole lot of magazines only to cut them up and find pictures and words and stick them all on a big canvas. So if you feel like this too, then a digital vision board is going to be the way to go. They are incredibly easy to do. All you need is a Pinterest account and Canva, and that's it. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my process for creating a digital vision board so you can be reminded of your amazing goals that you want to achieve in the year ahead. This is my vision board for the year and I've literally put it everywhere, so let me show you how. Okay, so first things first, work out what your key values are. These values may be completely innate to who you are, or they may be a bit more specific around what's happening for you in the year ahead. Think of these values like categories. So once we get to the goal setting section, you'll be able to create a really great breadth of goals that cover all aspects of your life. For me, my values are family, my business, health and wellness, experiences, and personal development. Next up, grab out your notebook and get clear on what are some specific goals that you want to achieve in the next year ahead. Use the values or categories you've chosen from step 1 to really get clear on what it is that you want to achieve next year. These might be activities, things to do, or actual achievements. So your goals don't just have to be about achieving something really impressive. They could be literally, I want to exercise 3 times a week, or I want to tidy my wardrobe, or start learning a new language. The third part in this process is to jump onto Pinterest, create a folder for all of your images to go into. So I recommend creating this folder first because that will help you to then actually be able to put all those images in and keep them all in one spot. Have a look through Pinterest, start searching some of the keywords within your goals to see if you can find images that represent what it is that you want to achieve. I recommend choosing a couple of quotes as well. Quotes look great in a vision board. So look for some quotes that relate to those values or categories you selected in step 1 and add these in as well. So I like to start with creating a digital vision board for my laptop, so for my background of my laptop. That's the first thing I like to create. Then you just need to upload all your photos into Canva and then have a play. You're gonna need to spend a bit of time tweaking, resizing, reshuffling images, playing with their positioning to give it that sort of layered effect. If you don't want that layered effect, there's loads of templates in Canva where you can have all the images next to each other, but I really like this layered effect. So it takes a little bit of time to tweak it and play and make sure all the images are looking good together, the right sizes and the positioning, but I don't know, I think it's worth it. So that's basically it. You've created your vision board, right? But step 5 is to put it everywhere, because the more you are seen and reminded of your goals for the year ahead, the more likely you're going to achieve them. That's how manifestation works. It's really based on this reminder and getting you into a practice to be able to reflect and remember what you actually wanting to achieve. Get out of the nitty-gritty day-to-day to-do list and think about the bigger picture about what are the bigger things you want to achieve. So what I'd recommend is recreating this vision board as a background on your phone, but also maybe printing it out. You could print this out at a larger scale, or you could put it in a frame and have it sitting on your desk. So you're constantly reminded of those beautiful pictures and quotes that you've chosen that signify what it is you want to achieve this year. So one of my big goals for the year is to get more people into my effortless email marketing course and drive up those conversions from my sales page. But if creating an online course is something you're wanting to do as part of your business, or to share a hobby that you have to make a bit of passive income on the side, then go and watch my video about how to create your first ever course, because this one is a total beginner's guide to creating online courses. I've created a few in my time time, so I know a thing or two. So learn from me and learn from my mistakes. So go and watch that one now, and you can set up that passive income stream to help you to add extra value to your business or to your career. I hope you love this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here, and click the like button if you liked it. Drop a comment below because I'd love to hear from you about how you're using this video to create your own vision board and manifest that dream life you are wanting to. All right, that's it from me. So until next time, bye for now.